In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% completed save file for Mafia or the old country and instantly unlock all chapters, missions, and game progress. Check my video description for this site link. Scroll down. Everything unlocked, all weapons unlocked. Select the manual download option and select the download option. Once download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open the 100% save file. Press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. Open this Hangar 13 games, Mafia the old country, save games, random numbers. Before dropping this save files, right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Drag and drop by game progress inside this new folder. Drag and drop this save file inside. Once you done this, if you can't find your save game location, then check my video description for this save file path. Navigate to this path, and once you done this, launch the game. Once you are in game, go to chapter replay. Choose the chapter you like to play, and then if you want to play free ride, then select the free ride option. The save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.